I just got this Disney Star Wars STEM toy, which is this Star Wars Mandalorian Armorer Gemstone Dig Kit. I'm going to open it up for you so we can all see what's inside the box. First of all, it's got this Mandalorian poster, which is sizable. On the one side, you've got a chart with all kinds of gemstones with this cool Mandalorian theme to it. But on the other side, check that out. Nice Mandalorian poster. It's actually really nice. This is good and thick. So once you get this flattened out, that will look really nice on a Star Wars fan's wall. It also comes with an instruction pamphlet that walks you through the whole digging process. Tools, you've got your dust brush, chisel, and this is not like any other kids digging toy tool I have seen. This is actual mini hammer here. There's got to be metal in here or something to weight this down. Careful with this around the youngins. Finally, here's what's inside the box. And I love that it's a Star Wars theme, Mandalorian specifically, because it gives a unique shape to what they're going to get to, bash apart. Specifically, the Mandalorian. This is your plaster. This is vacuum sealed in plastic wrap. And you've got your gems deep inside here. So kids are going to need to use their wits and their physical strength to chisel away to see what gemstones they can find. This is a great themed gift for any Star Wars or Mandalorian lovers. Hope this was helpful.